Now that everything on this project has finished stitching, we're going to take the hoop out and we're going to get rid of all of the stabilizer around the outside of any of the applique shapes. So we're going to, let's see, remove the basting line from around the outside of the poinsettia design here. I'm going to clip these stitches really carefully, making sure that we're not actually clipping the quilting. And then you should be able to just pull on that bobbin thread and stitches pop right out, and we can tear this piece of stabilizer that was in the hoop away from around the outside. Okay, now then, we are going to, well, I am going to remove the excess stabilizer from around the outside. Now this is the stabilizer that we basted onto the back of the background fabric and batting. Now then, it's up to you how much of this you want to dig out. I am going to dig out a little bit more of it so that we're right down to the batting, at least around here and in between the in between the doves. I'm not going to take out any of the batting that's actually underneath any of the applique shapes. So I will be back in just a little bit. I have removed a good amount of stabilizer all the way around the outside, in between the different doves. I removed all around here, and I did remove a little bit of the stabilizer from around there as well. I am now going to fuse a piece of batting to the back of this to give it a little bit of extra oomph. And I'm also going to fuse the backing fabric, so fusible webbing on the backing fabric, and just fuse it with a hot iron. Careful when you are working on the middle. This actually does come up pretty flat, so you should be just fine. Once I've got that all prepared, then I will show you how I am going to cut it into a circle and finish it off.